It's normal to be scared. Veganphobia is real. Feel the fear but speak out anyway. It's normal to be scared. Veganphobia is real. Feel the fear but speak out anyway. Even if your lips are quivering, even if your knees won't stop shaking, innocent victims are dying. So never let the bullies shut you up. Never give up. It's normal to be scared. Veganphobia is real. Feel the fear but speak out anyway. It's normal to be scared. Veganphobia is real. Feel the fear but speak out anyway. Even if your friends don't understand, even if they let go of your hand, you're on the right side of history. You're brave in ending so much misery, 'cause you have empathy. It's normal to be scared. Veganphobia is real. Feel the fear but speak out anyway. It's normal to be scared. Veganphobia is real. Feel the fear but speak out anyway. Never mind the petty insults, never let them penetrate. Veganphobic hearts are just jealous that you're so great. God is looking down, and when he sees you, he smiles. You make his frown turn upside down. You can stay brave, so stand straight and stand tall. The animals need you so you can survive, and all your heart is good and pure. I'm here to remind you, you were born vegan, so you can endure. Look me in the eyes, I'm telling you, I'm sure. It's normal to be scared. Veganphobia is real. Feel the fear but speak out anyway. It's normal to be scared. Veganphobia is real. Feel the fear but speak out